Hi guys, it's Savas from Trendy Startup. Today I'm going to show you how to fix if you are facing the error the application was unable to start correctly. So guys, here I'm going to show you the very easy process to fix this error. So first simply right click on start button. Now click on run and type here temp and simply press enter. So first we have to delete this unwanted files. So this is our temp or junk files. So simply delete this. Some of files are not going to delete it, so simply skip that. Close this and again right click on start button, click on run. Now type a percentage temp percentage. So press enter. Now delete this file also. After that close this and simply open control panel. So simply type in search bar control panel. Now here you can see the option of programs. So simply click on programs. And programs you can see the option of programs and features. So click on it. And here you can see this option, turn Windows feature on or off. So click on it. And here you can see this option, .NET frameworks. So simply check this option and click on OK. Here you can see searching. So simply click on let Windows update, download the file for you. Here you can see written downloading requires file. So after that simply close this. Now simply type in search bar cmd and right click on command prompt and simply click on run as administrator. Type here this command chkdsk and simply press enter. After that simply close this and simply restart your computer. So guys, your problem will be fixed by following this process that I've shown you step by step. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.